Hey YouTube. Yeah, it's our back patio here. And yeah, we got nailed this last time. Come out of the east and we really made a mess. Out our front door. Probably shouldn't have opened it because kind of a mess. The pickup I don't use as much anymore because I have a Jeep, but actually I wish I had my pickup right now, but the Jeep does a pretty good job. Our driveway, surprisingly, is really not too bad. If you look at the tree there, you can see that that's towards the east there, and it really is making a mess. I mean, it really is hung down on that one side there, really bad. Weighted down on one side. You can see that's towards the east, and you can see the trees all plastered with snow from the east side there. Barn out there. This poor little tree is full of snow. I wouldn't be surprised to see some broken branches out in my grove. There's a few out here and there. Yeah, you can see the weeping willow here I got in my backyard. I think we figured out replanted that in about 2003. That thing is really growing. My internet back there, if you look at the trees too, the evergreen trees or the spruces, they are, oh yeah, there's looks like I lost one out there, or part of one. Looks like it came down from the wind. The wind was just unreal last night. What a mess. My smoke tree out back here in the corner. Yeah, what a mess. I know I'm going to be picking up branches this spring when it finally goes away. We just had our snow go away here not too long ago, and 2 nights ago actually it was perfectly clear out, and very little bit of snow except for in the grove, but we really got hammered this time, and it probably melted as much as it was coming down, just as fast as it was coming down, except for towards the end here. And measurements, I guess, are right in that 14-inch range. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.